Meta Business Suite is a unified platform that integrates Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp business tools into one dashboard. However, many users experience frustrating issues that prevent them from managing their business effectively. Users frequently encounter four main types of problems. Login failures prevent access to accounts, dashboard loading issues stop users from viewing their data, synchronization delays cause outdated information, and mobile app crashes disrupt workflow. These problems typically stem from three main root causes. Browser-related issues include cached data and cookies that interfere with loading. Account permission problems occur when users lack proper admin rights. Server-side issues happen when Meta's infrastructure experiences downtime or maintenance. The first quick fix is browser optimization. Clear your browser cache and cookies, which often resolve loading issues. Disable browser extensions that might interfere with the site, and try using incognito or private browsing mode to eliminate cached data conflicts. Next, verify your account permissions and network connectivity. Ensure you have admin rights to the business accounts you're trying to access. Check your internet connection stability, and try switching to a different network if possible to rule out connectivity issues. For mobile app issues, start by updating the Meta Business Suite app to the latest version. Restart your device to clear temporary files and refresh system resources. If problems persist, try clearing the app's cache and data or reinstall the app completely. For persistent issues, follow a systematic troubleshooting approach. Start with the simplest solutions first, document what you've tried, and escalate to Meta support if basic fixes don't work. This methodical approach saves time and helps identify the root cause more effectively. These quick fixes resolve most Meta Business Suite issues. Remember to start with browser optimization, verify your account permissions and network connectivity, update your mobile apps, and follow a systematic approach when troubleshooting. Most problems can be solved with these basic steps. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions target the root architectural issues. Business manager account hierarchy problems are often the underlying cause of persistent Meta Business Suite issues. A properly structured business manager separates different business functions and reduces conflicts between accounts, pages, and advertising assets. Third-party integrations often cause authentication loops and data synchronization issues. Auditing API connections and refreshing tokens resolves most integration-related problems. Regular token refresh prevents authentication failures, while API audits identify problematic third-party connections that may be causing system conflicts. Different browsers handle Meta Business Suite features differently. Implementing browser-specific workflows ensures consistent performance across your team's preferred browsers. Assign specific browsers for different Meta Business Suite functions to minimize compatibility issues and improve team productivity. Shared login credentials cause authentication conflicts and security risks. Each team member needs individual accounts with properly configured business manager roles. Individual accounts prevent session conflicts, improve security, and enable proper audit trails for business activities. Slow dashboard loading often results from browser cache conflicts and excessive concurrent sessions. Systematic cache management dramatically improves performance. Regular cache clearing and session management can reduce dashboard loading times by up to 60% and eliminate most timeout errors. Mobile app crashes significantly impact productivity for teams managing social media on mobile devices. Systematic device and app update management prevents most mobile issues. These advanced troubleshooting strategies address the root causes of Meta Business Suite issues, providing long-term stability and improved performance for your business operations.